On August 15th, 1977, astronomers detected a radio signal from space so powerful, so unusual, that the scientist monitoring it grabbed a pen and scrawled one word on the printout: "Wow." For 70 seconds, something, or someone, was transmitting directly at Earth. And then it vanished. Nearly 50 years later, we still don't know what sent it. This is the story of the WOW signal, and why it might be the most important discovery in human history. August 15th, 1977. While most of America was enjoying a quiet summer evening, a massive radio telescope in Ohio was doing what it did every night, listening to the stars. The Big Ear Radio Observatory had been scanning the cosmos for years as part of SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Most nights, the telescope picked up nothing but cosmic background noise. Random static from distant galaxies, interference from passing satellites. The kind of signals astronomers had learned to ignore. But on this night, something different appeared on the computer printout. A volunteer astronomer named Jerry Amon was reviewing the data when he saw it. A signal that didn't belong. It was strong, incredibly strong, and it was coming from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, nearly 120 light-years away. The signal was so extraordinary that Amon circled it on the printout and wrote a single word in red pen: "Wow." That moment would change everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe. So what made this signal so special? Why did it earn that famous wow? First, the frequency. The signal came in at 1420 megahertz, the exact frequency that hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, naturally broadcasts at. This is significant because scientists had long theorized that if aliens wanted to get our attention, they'd use this frequency. It's the cosmic equivalent of a universal language. Think about it. Any intelligent civilization studying the universe would know about hydrogen. They'd recognize this frequency. It would be the obvious choice for interstellar communication. Second, the intensity. This wasn't some faint whisper from the void. The signal was 30 times stronger than the background noise of space. Whatever transmitted it was either incredibly powerful or incredibly close, in cosmic terms. Third, the narrowband signature. Natural phenomena, like pulsars or quasars, create signals across a wide range of frequencies. But the WOW signal was narrowly focused, like a laser beam of radio waves. This kind of precision doesn't happen naturally. It requires technology. And fourth, the duration and behavior. The signal appeared for exactly 72 seconds, which was the maximum time Big Ear could track any object as Earth rotated. It grew stronger, peaked, and then faded exactly as you'd expect from a source in deep space passing through the telescope's field of view. Everything about this signal screamed artificial. Everything screamed intentional. Naturally, astronomers immediately tried to find it again. Big Ear searched the same spot in the sky hundreds of times. Other observatories around the world joined in. They searched for years, decades. The signal never appeared again. How is this possible? If it was an alien transmission, why only once? If they were trying to communicate, why stop? Some scientists proposed it could have been a one-time beacon, like a lighthouse sweep across the galaxy. Maybe we just happened to be looking at the exact moment it pointed our way. The odds of that are astronomical, but not impossible. Others suggested it could have been a burst transmission, compressed information sent in a brief, powerful blast to conserve energy. If an alien civilization is trying to reach civilizations across hundreds of light years, why waste power on continuous broadcasting? But here's where it gets really strange. In 2012, on the 35th anniversary of the detection, humanity sent a response. We transmitted 10,000 Twitter messages toward the same region of space where the signal originated. If something is out there, it'll receive our reply in about 2033. The question is, will we get an answer back by 2058? Of course, not everyone believes the WOW signal was aliens. Skeptics have proposed several alternative explanations. Theory 1, it was a satellite. Maybe a secret military satellite passed through the telescope's view at just the right moment, creating what looked like a deep space signal. But the Big Ear team investigated this extensively and found no satellites in that region during that time window. Theory 2, terrestrial interference. Could it have been radio noise from Earth? A microwave oven? A passing airplane? Radio interference? Possible, but the signal's behavior and frequency make this unlikely. It matched deep space signal characteristics too perfectly. Theory 3, a comet. In 2016, a researcher claimed 2 comets were in the area and could have produced the signal through hydrogen clouds, but other scientists quickly debunked this. The comets weren't in the right position, and their hydrogen emissions wouldn't create such a narrow, powerful signal. The truth is, after nearly 50 years of analysis, no natural explanation fully accounts for what was detected that night. Every conventional theory has holes. Every earthly source has been ruled out. That leaves us with the most unsettling possibility. It was exactly what it appeared to be. If the WOW signal was an alien transmission, the implications are staggering. It means we're not alone. Somewhere in the constellation Sagittarius, 120 light-years away, there's an intelligence capable of building technology powerful enough to reach across the void of space. It means they might know we're here. That signal wasn't random cosmic noise. It was directed, focused, intentional. Did they detect our radio signals leaking into space? Our television broadcasts? Our attempts to communicate? And it raises the most chilling question of all. If they sent that signal in 1977, it means they transmitted it around 1857, 120 years earlier, accounting for the speed of light. Whatever civilization sent it has had over 150 years to advance since that moment. What could a civilization do with 150 years of technological progress? We went from the telegraph to the internet in that time. From steam engines to space stations, what could they have achieved? Maybe the WOW signal wasn't a greeting. Maybe it was a warning, or a test, or the cosmic equivalent of ringing a doorbell to see if anyone's home. And if we responded in 2012, we might find out in 2058. The WOW signal remains one of the greatest mysteries in the history of astronomy. For 72 seconds, we may have heard from another world. Or we may have witnessed a cosmic coincidence so unlikely it borders on impossible. Jerry Amon, the astronomer who discovered it, has said he's still not sure what it was, but he's never stopped wondering. None of us have. Because somewhere out there, 120 light-years away, something transmitted a signal strong enough to reach across the darkness of space. And for one brief moment, we heard it. The question is, what happens when they hear us back? If you want to explore more cosmic mysteries that science can't explain, subscribe to Cosmic Enigma. We're investigating the unknown, one mystery at a time. What do you think the WOW signal was? Let me know in the comments below.